here are the possible errors that can happen when you, oh my God, there's a lot. Here are the errors that can happen when you try to open a file and something's wrong. I'm going to cheat. I know which error we're looking for right here. E-loop. Too many symbolic links are encountered in translating the path name. This is taken to be indicative of looping symbolic link, of a looping symbolic link. Notice this phrasing. This is very important. Too many symbolic links are encountered in translating the path name. That's perfectly stated. This is taken to be indicative of a looping symbolic link. So the error name is eloop. Eloop in our case makes sense because we do have looping symbolic links, but they technically don't need a loop. They just needs to be too many of them. So if I were to make a directory of 8 million symlinks all pointing to one file exactly, we'd probably never get to that file. You would get eloop, and it's basically saying hey, you probably have a loop here. There's too many of them. So it's taken to be indicative. It's not guaranteed to be a loop, but at this point, if you're in this situation, you already have too many symlinks. You should rethink your design. But an easy way to hit that is just to loop them. If you loop them, you're going to get this error. You get this error pretty quick, which is nice. So what does a diagram look like of this? Make a diagram of dir6, and let's see what we get. Very simple. If you were thinking, oh, they're all going to be connected to each other. No, they're not connected because again, foo, this file here, is an inode. That inode, when you actually look at the contents of it, it's the path name that the link resolves to. So it resolves, just find a bar. We go back here. We find bar. We go to its inode. We call read link on it. We get foo. We go here. We get its inode. We call read link.